the speed he touched the sky. Moonlight shining on a dream that never died. But legends aren't only made of gold. Sometimes the greatest stories go untold. Well, overstepped in on Apollo 15. Dave Scott wore it where the stars all gleam. A quiet hero on the lunar dust. Proof that greatness lives in all of us. So rise like a rocket through the night. You don't need a fortune just to chase the light. If a humble watch could walk the moon, then your dreams can take you there real soon. Yeah, rise, your moment's coming soon. Because the sky belongs to dreamers too. Greatness starts the moment you choose.